Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Maybe standing up from a chair feels a little harder than it used to, or walking long distances makes your knees ache. That's completely normal. But here's the good news. You can change that starting today. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful leg exercises that every senior should do daily. They're gentle, effective, and designed to strengthen your legs, improve your balance, and help you move with confidence. All without any fancy equipment. These aren't hard workouts. They're safe, senior-friendly moves that keep your body strong and independent, so you can keep doing the things you love. So grab a sturdy chair, take a deep breath, and let's get started with the very first exercise. One of the most powerful movements for rebuilding lower body strength. Exercise number 1: chair, sit to stand. Our first exercise might look simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your legs, especially your thighs, hips, and lower back. It's called the chair sit to stand, and it helps you perform one of the most important daily movements, getting up and sitting down with ease. Place a sturdy chair behind you, preferably one that won't slide, and stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself into the chair in a controlled motion, then press through your heels to stand back up. You'll feel your thighs working immediately. That's your leg strength coming alive. The goal isn't speed but control. Lower gently, rise confidently, and remember to breathe with each move. The simple exercise trains your body to stay independent, making it easier to move freely in daily life. Keep going at your own pace. Each repetition builds strength, balance, and confidence. If you need a break, take it. Consistency matters more than perfection. Now that your legs are active and your circulation is flowing, let's move on to the next exercise that strengthens your ankles and improves balance. Exercise number 2. Heel raises. Our next movement is heel raises, a simple yet powerful exercise that strengthens your calves, ankles, and improves overall balance. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair, holding it lightly for support. With feet hip width apart, slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes, then lower them back down with control. Feel your calves working. That's your leg strength building. This movement improves blood circulation in your legs, keeps your joints flexible, and reduces stiffness in your ankles and feet. It also helps you walk more steadily, climb stairs with ease, and stand for longer without fatigue. Breathe naturally, move slowly, and focus on control rather than speed. If you need extra support, keep holding the chair. As your balance improves, try doing it with less assistance. Each lift brings you one step closer to stronger legs, steadier balance, and more confident movement. Great job! Your body is already thanking you. Now let's move to our next exercise that enhances flexibility and coordination. Exercise number 3. Seated leg extensions. Our next move is seated leg extensions, a gentle yet powerful exercise that targets your thighs and knees, 2 areas that are key to mobility, balance, and independence. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on the sides of the chair for support. Now, slowly lift one leg until it's straight in front of you, hold for a moment, and then lower it back down with control. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Keep your movement smooth and steady. Focus on strength, not speed. As you lift, you'll feel your thigh muscles working. Those are your quadriceps, strengthening to support your knees and improve stability. Over time, this simple movement helps ease knee discomfort, strengthens your joints, and makes everyday actions like walking, climbing stairs, and standing up much easier. Breathe naturally. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. For a little extra challenge, flex your toes toward you as you raise your leg. It activates even more muscles in your thighs and calves. This exercise also boosts circulation, keeps your joints flexible, and enhances your overall leg coordination. Stay consistent, move slowly, and enjoy the feeling of strength building with each lift. You're doing great. Your legs are stronger, your balance steadier, and your confidence is growing with every rep. Now let's move on to our next exercise, a one that strengthens your hips and improves your side-to-side stability. Exercise number 4, side leg raises. This next exercise strengthens the outer thighs and hips, key muscles that keep you steady while walking or standing. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair, holding it lightly for support. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight and your toes facing forward. Hold for a second, then gently lower it back down. You'll feel the outer part of your hip working. That's your body's balance stabilizer in action. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Keep your upper body still and controlled and avoid leaning to the side. This simple movement helps reduce the risk of falls, improves side-to-side stability, and makes everyday movements, like stepping out of a car or climbing stairs, easier and safer. Breathe evenly, stay tall, and move with control. With each lift, you're strengthening the muscles that keep you mobile and independent. You're doing great. Now let's finish strong with one final movement that improves flexibility and circulation. Exercise number 5, ankle circles. Our last exercise is all about improving flexibility and joint mobility. It's called ankle circles. Sit comfortably in a sturdy chair with your back straight. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and slowly rotate your ankle in a circular motion. 5 times clockwise, then 5 times counterclockwise. Switch legs and repeat the same on the other side. This small movement helps increase blood flow, reduce stiffness, and keep your ankles flexible, which is crucial for balance and walking stability. It's especially beneficial if you experience swelling or stiffness from sitting or standing for long periods. You can even do this exercise several times a day while watching TV or reading to keep your joints healthy and active. And that's it. 5 simple leg exercises you can do every day to stay strong, steady, and independent. These movements don't require any fancy equipment, just a few minutes of your time and a bit of consistency. Do them daily, and you'll notice your legs feeling stronger, your balance improving, and your confidence growing with each session. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength. Every movement you make today is an investment in your future mobility and independence. You've done amazing. Keep moving, stay consistent, and your body will reward you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these simple exercises. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, effective routines to keep your body strong and active no matter your age. Stay healthy, stay moving, and I'll see you in the next one.